Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know we are discussing about cyber safety. So we have recently completed this chapter. So today we will take some revision question regarding cyber safety. I will give you some time to identify the correct answer and then I will tell you the right answer. So without wasting any time, let's start. So as you can see, the first question is, what is the full form of LDPA? And your time starts now. Okay, so the right answer is option B, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. This is the right answer of question number 1. Now the second question is, what is called the collective terms of malicious software such as virus, worms and trojans? This is very easy question. I have told you the answer of this question many times. Okay, so now I am telling the answer. Option C, malware is the correct answer. Now our third question is, what is the full form of CIA under information security? Now what is the full form of CIA under information security? Your time starts now. Okay, so option A, confidentiality, integrity, availability. This is the right answer of question number 3. Now the next question is, what is called periodic assessment of security vulnerability in computer system? You can see the options are threat, attack, hacking and security audit. So option D, security audit is the right answer. Now our fifth question is, what is called a single point of access for several networking services? So options are phishing, web service, directory service and worms. So the right answer is answer number C, directory services. Now the next question is, which activity endanger the sovereignty and integrity of nation? And the options are cyber terrorism, cyber vandalism, cyber squatting and carding. So option number A, cyber terrorism is the right answer. Now seventh question is, which crime involves the use of computer networks to create, distribute or access materials that sexually exploit underage persons? It is a very important and easy question. I hope you will find the right answer of this question. Okay, so now I am telling the answer. Answer number D, child pornography. This is the right answer of this question. Now the eighth question is, which method go through all the files or network elements with an intention to detect something unusual? Now the options are probing, phishing, infecting and scanning. So tell me the right answer. Okay, now I am telling the answer. Answer number D, scanning, is the correct answer of question number 8. Now the ninth question is, victims of cyber attack might lose. This is also a easy question. Option A is data, option B is money, option C both A and B, and option D none of them. Okay, so option C both A and B is the right answer. A victim of a cyber attack might lose their data and money both. Okay, so question number 10 is, under information security, any device having dash is classified as a computing device. It means under information security or under IT, what we will call the device which is classified as computing device. Okay, so now tell me the answer. Okay, now I am telling the answer. Option C, both A and B. This is the right answer. Now the next question is, under information security, CIA stands for. I am repeating the question. Under information security, CIA stands for. Okay, so now the right answer is option B, confidentiality, integrity and availability. This is a repeated question, so you must know the answer. Question number 12. Script files sent mostly through emails attachment to attack host computers are called. Your options are worms, phishing attacks, trojans, computer viruses. What is the right answer? Okay, so the right answer is option A, worms. Question number 13. Attacking the victims through fake URL, reassembling that of a valid financial institution is called. I am repeating the question. Attacking the victims through fake URL, reassembling that of a valid financial institute is called. And your options are worms, phishing attack, trojans and computer viruses. Fast, tell me the right answer. Okay, so right answer is phishing attack. Question number 14. Getting the user ID and password from a victim through dubious program is called dash attack. Your options are worms, phishing attack, trojan or computer virus. This is a very important question. This is a type in which the attacker gets the user ID and password of the victim. And the answer is option number C, trojan. Trojan is the right answer. Question number 15 is, a malicious program is spreading through internet and storage media and attacking the data in victim's computer is called. And the options are worms, phishing attack, trojan or computer virus. Tell me the right answer. Okay, so now I am telling the answer. Option number D, computer virus, is the right answer of question number 15. Next question is potential weaknesses in IT infrastructure through which a cyber attack might occur is called. You have to tell about the potential weaknesses which we can improve. So there are some weaknesses by following which an attacker can attack on a computer. So the right answer is vulnerabilities. So option C, vulnerabilities, is the right answer. Question number 17. Vulnerability for cyber attack may be in. Options are operating system, application software, IT infrastructure, and all of them. Fast, find the answer. Okay, now I am telling the answer. The correct answer is option D, all of them. Now question number 18 is to protect the network infrastructure from vulnerability dash is set up, and the options are firewall, internet security software, both A and B, and the last option is none of them. Find the answer. Okay, so answer of question number 18 is both A and B. Option number C is the correct answer. Now our second last question, question number 19 is the person using vulnerability in operating system or application software or IT infrastructure to intrude into the computer of victim is called. This is a very important question. The person using vulnerability in operating system or application software or IT infrastructure to intrude into the computer of victim is called. The options are hacker, cracker, maker, and the last option is taker. Okay, so I am telling the answer. The right answer is option A, hacker. Hacker is the correct answer. Now our last question is periodic assessment of security vulnerability in computer system is called dash audit, and the options are threat, attack, hacking, and the last option is security. Fast, any guesses? Okay, so I am telling the answer. Option number D, security, is the correct answer of question number 20. So students, I hope you got the right answers. So now you have to tell me how many questions you have correctly answered. So you can type the number of correct answer in comment section. I will wait for your comments. So comment the right number of questions which you answer correctly. So that is it for today students. Stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you so much.